Yo, what is good everyone? Welcome back to a new video. In this video we're going to be rebuilding the 76ers. Jeez, Joel Embiid, these are some big people. So I think we're going to trade Grant Georgie Hill for whoever really wants him. Because he's getting older. No, he's getting older. And we want better people. We want better younger guns. Oh, who's that? Lonzo Ball. DeMar DeRozan. Actually, he's on a bad contract. Let's see what Tobias Harris, Paul George, uh, Carl Anthony Towns, James Wiseman. I think I'm gonna take that. Jeez, we just snapped James Wiseman. Actually, Raymond, you're on a fat contract, so you're getting sold. 15, Danny Green. Oh, it's on straight away. So let's see. Can we get someone cheap? Oh, straight away, 2 million. Grant Hill. We're just gonna try and snipe someone low. Uh, I don't want DeMar DeRozan. Is that the one to go with? Yeah. Who will Embiid sell for? I think let's just get into it. Let's just get into it and see. Let's just keep going, you know. I think we can win. I think we can win the championship. We're 12 and we're 13. We're doing pretty good. We're doing pretty good. Hopefully we don't lose, because that'll be horrible. Because how old are we? We're like 5 if we get this. We're like 5 and 2 in the series. Play 40 games. James Wiseman. I know he's on a cheap contract and he is an absolute beast. Yes, we're gonna stop. Trade Draymond because he's gonna go down. Oh, I don't think we'll be here for that long, so I'm gonna get rid of that, and I'm gonna go for one of their picks. No, just and you got a deal. I see Joe's. Yeah, I'll take that. Let's look at our picks. We got 2 this year. Let's just keep going. I think our team is pretty good. I don't want to change nothing about it. Come on. Come on, come on. Gee, we did amazing. James Harden, MVP. Anthony Edwards, Rookie of the Year. We didn't get anyone. Joel Embiid, too. Where are we? We're second seed, so I think we can beat the Heat. Oh my god, how the hell are we losing to the Heat? No, just oh my god! How the hell are we losing to the Heat? There we go, it's a 7 series game. It's gonna take a lot to get back here, Jesus. We are down by 25. We're down by 9. We are eliminated. How the hell did we get eliminated to the Heat? To the Heat. The Heat. How the hell are the Heat in the finals? How the hell did the Heat win? What the hell? What the hell? The 1 seed against the 7 seed. They beat us. Beat Milwaukee. That's crazy. Okay, do we have the 13th pick? Kawhi Leonard, no. We can't get any of these. Auto generate rookies, and let's just get into the next season. I think we can win it this year. Straight wins. Let's go another 9-win streak. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Damn it! What? Why? How the hell? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What the hell? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's actually getting worse. 1, 2, 3. What the hell? 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 4. Are you joking? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4. It's always stupid 4. 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. Okay, we're 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What the hell? We suck. Actually, we didn't do too bad. Ben Simmons MVP. Ben Simmons is a 98. And surely... Where the hell is Joel Embiid? He's injured. So we're gonna do this all. Okay, we win the first. Oh my god. Joel, are you back? Yes, you're back on deck. You know, I'm just gonna simulate game. Come on. Come on. We win. Surely we win this game. Surely we win this game. Oh my god, come on. Surely we win this game. Surely, come on. Come on. Jesus Christ. We are horrid. We are so bad. We are so bad. We're the 1 seed. Get a game up. Come on. We are so bad. Come on, get back. Get back. Get back. Get back. Oh my god. We are so bad. Oh, come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, next game. If we can come back. Surely we have this game. We have this game. We have this game by a lot. Holy cow. Oh my god! Let's go! The 1 seed against the 1 seed. Come on, we have a lead. We have a mega lead. Let's just see the lead. We have like 30-point lead. Yeah, we take the first game. We're gonna take. We take the second game. Holy cow, this is intense. We take the first half by storm. Ben Simmons carries us. Okay, so this is the last game. And we are NBA champions! Let's go! Oh my god! It took us 2 years. But damn, did we make it possible. Also, thanks for watching.